Sony camera, test and review. Very beautiful camera in perfect condition. Not have on the body scoops or scrapers. Very good condition. Made in Japan camera. Sorry, very big camera, and make video is very hard. Clean lens. All is in perfect condition. Only have scoops on the screen. Now you see something scoops on the screen. And also in perfect condition. All is trying, all is perfect working. Mechanism is working. Perfect working. Very slowly and easy. Reading cassette, play, read, rec, always working. All is perfect working, only something scoops on the screen. Flash, zoom, all is trying, all is working. Recording, playing, all is perfect working. Very rare camera in very rare condition. See on the listings.